Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Uncle Alandiv M. I am discuss about the login button. This line is this logging button. This is a HTML comment providing a descriptive note about the following code. Next line is button type. Button type is equal to submit class is equal to btn primary btn block. This meaning is this line create a button element that type is equal to submit attribute specifies that this button is of the type submit, meaning clicking it will submit the form to belongs to the class btn primary btn block attribute assigned of cccs classes to a style button. Next slide is spam. Spam vif is equal to login loading logging span. This line is within the button element there are two span elements. There are uses conditionally display text based on the visual of variable likely controlled by the JavaScript framework like Vue, Vue.js. So, so button. Button, this this closes the button element form. This line closes the form element assuming that the button is a part of form. Next line. So def class is equal to empty 3 text n. This line create def element with the classes empty 3 and text n is empty 3 likely add stop margin to the div. Next line is router. This line is inside this def, there are router link element which is a uses of single page application with routing, and it renders to clickable link that when you click negatives that is specific route that in the case and a negative to the user registration route. It has class BTN and BTN says indicating that is style as a button with the green color respectively. The text sign up display is the link content. Next is back end. Here console. This line this line, this statement import the Spirine class from Laravel foundation package that Artistan package. Laravel package provide a static interface to class available in the services container. Second line, this line is defined artisan command name inspire. Artisan is a Laravel command line interface, which is CIL, tool of managing Laravel applications. The closures function is the purpose of this method is say the purpose of description of the command, which is to help documentation understanding the purpose of the command. Command execution. This command, when executing, will input an expiring code the console. For example, if you are run PHP artisan inspire in the command line, it will be print inspiring code fetch by the inspiring code methods. So second is web. So this line is statement import the root facade which provide the fluent interface for defining routes in a Laravel application. So second line, this code define the route this response to HTTP get request to the route URL of the application. When your user access the route URL, Laravel will execute the anonymous functions past the second agreement, route get. Inside the function, return the view, welcome, is a call. This line is returned to view name, welcome. In Laravel view is the templates that define the HTML markup a web page. Case the view welcome. Likely a default a view Laravel provides a new project. That's all.